Today's American muscle is a 1969 Chevrolet Camaro SS 396 SS with a 4-speed manual, superbly restored, and what else can we tell you? It is something special. It's had really good history. It crosses every T and dots every I, and we're going to take it for a ride and show you what it's like. Come on. Well, as you can see, she's in warm-up idle, so it's perfect now to take her and warm her up prior to our getting on it and our flybys. It's a really, really nicely restored, numbers matching 396 SS, whose steering wheel is not on straight, in which case we will have to straighten because this would make me crazy. But if that's the biggest problem you have, I will take it. It's American muscle at its best. It is reliable, and they're fast. Although we're not going to show you the fast part until she warms up. So as we warm her up, we're going to take her to the fuel station.
Fill 'em up station.
The fill 'em up station. So we don't end up pushing, or almost pushing, as we did last week with our Triumph.
Check out that video, everyone.
Yeah. Always something special coming from us. But this one's a really cool car. Really, really well done car. And we're going to just let her warm up while we fill her up. Well, she's definitely all warmed up, as you can see from the temperatures, pressures. And as we normally say, we're taking you through a quick run of Huntington's Suburbia to show you that she's comfortable around town. She's awesome fast and with a lot of torque, but we'll show you that on the farm road. Power brakes, steering, 4-speed. We're going to head up to the twisties. This one will, in fact, sound great from the outside. And put a little heat on, which will be nice on this frigid day. I really kind of do want to rip the rear loose on one of these, but you know, we don't want to beat on it. But if you did want to go fast, and it's amazing, she does turn quite well as well. That was fun. Yeah, there's nothing like torque. So we'll see you on the flybys in a couple seconds. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed all these flybys. I did, that is for sure. So we've got a lot of American muscle here, but even on the twisties, it does turn pretty well. And Camaros held their own quite well against the Mustangs in the SCCA Trans Am series, so it's no slouch. So it turns, it brakes, it tracks, and it does everything well. in muscle car style. It's just one of those cool muscle cars that have stood the test of time. We're going to get on the farm road here and show you cruising capability and power and torque. But I have to also say, I'm not sure what rear end gearing is in this. I will have to look it up because it doesn't feel just like a drag racer. It feels like you could cruise on the highways pretty well with long legs. So here's third, fourth gear. Now we're cruising about 70 miles per hour. And make no mistake, if you want to go fast, the power's there. Just feels like it wants to giddy up and go. So, and it does giddy up and go. So, it's everything you would expect from a well-tuned, well-dialed-in 396 SS Camaro. Hope you enjoyed this one. We welcome any questions you may have, as always, and you know where to find us. See ya.